Let's make a farfalle pasta with chicken and pesto. So I just got home from Sam's Club and I picked up a rotisserie chicken and deboned it. I got these chef knives sent to me from EVOO. We're gonna put them to use tonight. So we're gonna chop up some asparagus and tomatoes and onion. The asparagus and the tomatoes are gonna go into the air fryer. After you slice your tomatoes, put them into your air fryer basket. I always line mine with foil. You can do that if you want. It's totally up to you. Next, you're gonna wash and then chop up your asparagus. I always cut about this much off the ends and just throw those ends away. Then you're gonna wanna cut your asparagus pieces down into bite-sized pieces, and we're gonna take these and toss them in with our tomatoes. We're gonna hit them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just give them a nice coat, and then we're gonna mix it all up. A little bit of salt. You guys like to make comments about this salt shaker. I actually found it on Amazon and they're only about $21. There's a link in my bio for them. And we're gonna add some pepper. Give it a good shake so everything gets coated. And you're gonna cook them in your air fryer at 400 degrees, and we're gonna cook them for about 12 minutes. Next, I'm gonna chop up half a yellow onion. When your pasta water starts boiling, add in some kosher salt. Add your pasta in. To a pot, you're gonna add in some olive oil. Add your onions into your pan. Stir it up. Take your chicken and add it to your onions. Hit it with a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic blend. We're gonna add in some frozen peas. Asparagus and tomatoes are done. Dump them in with your chicken. Add in some heavy cream. And then you're gonna wanna add in your pesto. A couple of heaping tablespoons full. Once your pasta is al dente, you're gonna wanna take it and strain it. Do not rinse it. Dump your pasta into your veggie chicken mixture. Add in some shaved Parmesan cheese. If you have feta cheese, you could actually add that in as well. So we're gonna give everything a good mix. And here's what you get. Enjoy.